sure how to build a chic outfit, then this is the video for you. I'm going to share with you 4 steps how you can build your outfit with confidence, expressing 100% you. Hey lovely ladies, if we haven't met yet, I'm Yifat, a fashion designer and a personal styling coach. In this channel, I'm sharing with you practical tips how to find confidence in your style again. If you are interested in this topic and you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Before we jump into it, I want to invite you to our Kickstart Your Style Workshop on November 16, where I'm going to teach you what is stopping you from expressing your personal style, how you can overcome this hurdle. I'm going to share with you some secrets and some tips how you can start expressing your unique style instantly with some fun exercise. You definitely don't want to miss it, so come and join us. I will share the link below. Alright ladies, so the 4 steps that I'm using every single day to build my outfit with confidence, you know, that when I'm going to the mirror and see my reflection, I'm thinking to myself, oh yes, I'm looking good, I love what I see, I'm looking hot, I'm ready to start my day, to rock my day. So I want to share with you those easy tips, easy steps that you can build your outfit easily with ease and fun, expressing you and feel that way. You have more impact with the message that you like to share with the world, okay? So the first step I will use, you want to think about what is your go-to pieces, what is the star pieces that you wear usually during the week, that you feel comfortable, you feel confident every day. Maybe it will be a jeans and some blouse. For me personally, I love colors, I like print, I like patterns in my outfits, so it's definitely my go-to outfit. It doesn't matter how I build my outfit at a day, I need to have some color or some print patterns in my outfit, okay? So this will be my go-to pieces to build my outfit. Maybe for you, you're more a person that you like to wear a jeans and some button-up shirt, or you like to wear more structured, you know, items, outfit, if it's like a skirt and a blouse, if it's dresses, whatever it is, you want to start with it. What is the pieces in your wardrobe that are your go-to? Okay, so let's dive deeper into it. So for example, I woke up in the morning and I feel like wearing a jeans. This is what I feel like wearing today, the dark wash jeans. And let's start with the basics. For example, I want to wear with it my black top with it, okay? So those 2 foundation pieces that I have in my closet, and that's how I start building my outfit. If I decide to wear this jeans, this dark wash with jeans with this black top, which is very basic, as we said, very simple, doesn't have color, what I'll do when I build in my outfit, I'll add something with colors, okay? I have cardigans, as I mentioned in my previous videos, I have cardigans, pretty much all colors. I really love cardigans. They're as well my go-to pieces. It's very easy to add it as a layer. It's fun pieces for me to add and really elevate the outfit easily, okay? So second step, building your outfit, you want to think, where do you want to draw your attention where you're creating your outfit, okay? Maybe it's a part in your body that you really love. Maybe it's your legs, maybe it's your face, maybe it's your bust area, maybe it's your waist. So you want to decide, where do you want to draw your attention? For example, if you like to draw your attention to your legs area because you really love your legs, you can put really nice and unique shoes, maybe some bold colors, maybe pattern or just really nice shoes with it, so it's draw the attention for the person that look at you, to your legs, to the bottom of your legs. Maybe you want to wear like some mini skirt or some short dresses. Again, it will draw the attention there. Maybe you feel like draw the attention to your waist, so it's easy to do it with high rise pants, jeans, skirt, whatever it is, or you want to put a belt, and again it will draw the attention to this area. If you want to draw the attention to your bust or your face area, v-neck blouse or scoop blouse will do it, or some interest, unique, some design in the top area of your blouse will draw the attention for the person that look at you there. This step is really helping you to empower your outfit and yourself. I love it because it's really give you control to really decide what vibe do you like to create with your outfit. Where do you want to draw the attention of the person that look at you? Okay, what a balance or proportion do you want to create in your outfit? And this is a game changer. The third step is to mix two styles together, or some patterns, some prints, some textures together. It just create more interest to your outfit. Like another example, me wearing the master pants, which are really nice and colorful, vibrant color. I add the blazer that it's just have different style. It's look more business casual style look. But the mix of those two styles together, the colors as well, it just creates a unique and chic outfit. Let's take for another example, me wearing the skirt. It's have really nice texture, it's have print. I really like the texture of this skirt, and when I mix it with different style, different texture, it just create again more interest, more unique look, and it instantly will create more chic outfit. So you want to think about what you own in your wardrobe, what you have in your closet, that you can mix different style or different texture or some patterns with your outfit, right? And then that's how easily you can create unique style. Fourth steps is to add some accessory and jewelry into your outfit. It's the cherry on top of the ice cream, is the spices that we add to our outfit to really add more and tell a story about ourselves, to really express our personality even one notch up, to really create stylish and chic outfits. Every single day when you build in your outfit, you want to add your jewelry. We all have different personal style. We all own different jewelry and accessories. So go to your closet, look what accessories do you have, what jewelry do you have, how do you like to express yourself. Let's take again, for example, me wearing the jeans and the black top, very basic. I put on top of it the cardigan, the blue cardigan with the polka dots, and I want to add jewelry. So again, it depends what vibe I want to create, what I feel like at the same day. I like to add sometimes chunky or bold jewelry and accessories. So I have this beautiful blue necklace that I really love to go with this outfit, and I just love how it's complement each other. I like the look, so this is what I'll add today. Maybe in a different day I feel like wearing something more relaxed to create more relaxed vibe, so I will wear different necklace with it. So again, it all depends how I want to express myself in the outfit in the same day, what is my mood, okay? Following these 4 steps every single day when you build in your outfit, you will see how it instantly will elevate your look to look more chic and put together. It completely will transfer your day, it will improve your confidence level, your mood, and it will create a huge impact with the message that you like to share with the world. If you want to know what are the essential pieces that you must have to maximize your wardrobe, check out the link below. So much for watching. Please share my channel with your friend. It means the world to me. I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.